Not one day passed and she not cussed.
And why would it bother you so much if somebody mess with me and the so-called fiance? The so-called fiance. If you say so-called, me not like mad people, you know. Me not like people madder than me. When I mean fiance, you know the person very well. It's like every time they my life is bumbo clad crosses. I mean, I try my best, you know, not to have to do certain things. And this big dirty crosses, girl, brother. You always do this. Stop doing it, bitch. Stop. Stop doing it. Whoever you is, stop doing it. And you know yourself, stop fucking do it. You're lost, stop do it. There is somebody that you cut off doing voodoo for you and your fiance to cut off. And people are this narcissistic and this fucking stupid. This narcissistic and this fucking stupid to even come and make up these kind of stuff. What is wrong with people, bro? The fucking snake. What tell me, say, people in my corner, bad mind, and want them my fiance to mash up.
Daddy, Mommy, that game is a scam, okay?
What is sad is, you know, they are chose to get attention from me. This is not chose. As the saddest